Nox29 here. This is a video response on how to make a Rubik's Cube easy. Okay, I have my 4x4 and my 3x3. Do you think the white side is white? Think again, it's black, and I made it a V cube. As you can see, there's a V. I had to find a blue marker. I've been holding this together so it won't come out like this. So I'm just holding it together like that. Soon I'm going to make the cutter cube and a wall cube. There, it cut. There we go. The real cutter cube. It's always like this, no matter what. You just cut this off, glue it here, cut this off, glue it here, cut this off, glue it here. Cut this off, glue it here. Then it'll be flat. Then you turn it like this, and then there will be a point sticking out. Once you do it, you could bring the middle down, downward right, down, and then there will be spikes pointing out. And soon this will be a wall cube. Well, bye.